In the heart of smart cities, high-performance electric sports cars redefine speed as a data-driven craft. Engineers from leading OEMs describe ultra-efficient motors, advanced battery packs, and thermal systems that sustain rapid acceleration while staying quiet. Urban pilots showcase charging corridors, vehicle-to-grid links, and AI routing that blends spirited driving with safe city life. Industry leaders say city planners and automakers must partner to expand curbside access and scalable charging for everyday use. Real-world programs show adaptive signals and micro-hubs turning urban cores into vibrant, sustainable playgrounds for speed.